Good day, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome to Blogging Good Food, your destination for delicious culinary inspiration. Today, we are diving into the world of aesthetic salad recipes that will elevate your dining experience. Let's kick things off with some PFP aesthetic salad inspiration. These salads are not only pleasing to the palate but also a feast for the eyes. Looking for salads that are as nutritious as they are delicious? Check out our healthy salad recipes that are a breeze to prepare. Presentation matters. Explore creative salad bowl ideas that will make your salads the star of the show. Need a delightful side to complement your main course? These salad sides are quick, easy, and bursting with flavor. Dare to be different. Discover unique salad creations that will surprise and delight your taste buds. Elevate your salad game with aesthetic decorations that add that wow factor to your dishes. Embrace the seasons with our special salad creations. From summer salads bursting with freshness to hearty winter salads, we have got it all. Embark on a global culinary journey with our international salad delights. Explore flavors from around the world with the exotic salad recipes. Now, let's delve into the world of sweet and savory fruit salads that combine the best of both worlds. These refreshing creations are perfect for any occasion. There you have it, folks. For more mouth-watering recipes and food-related tips, visit our website at blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delectable content. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video. Happy salad making!